Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again to Describing by Ibrahim. It is afternoon time and I've come on a roof of building amazing place. I have come with them. They are my brothers as well as my student. I used to teach them when they were student of high school and intermediate. So now they are studying at university. They requested to me come and take some pictures. So I have done that, and now we are recording a videos to take it as a memory. This is Redwan, and I can say that he was my student, and now he's studying. So, what's your feeling?
My feeling is very good.
And this is Sabbir. Once we used to play cricket together, and we have many beautiful memories in our childhood. We made many beautiful memories when we were younger. So, what's your feeling?
I'm feeling very good.
Oh, amazing! And this is Arif, my one of my favorite brother as well as my friend. Um I can say that we made many beautiful moments together when we were young and children, I can say. So, what's your feeling?
I'm feeling very good.
So, everyone feeling very good being here on in this beautiful place. Sun has set already, and wind is blowing. And I can say Ramadan, it is going on. You know that it is 24 Ramadan. At the ending time of Ramadan, it is going very quickly. So, this video will keep. On my social media for a long time, and when I watch this video, it reminds me that once we have come here and making amazing moment, so that would be awesome for me. So I hope my dear audience, you will enjoy this video. And you know that I'm an English learner. As an English learner, always try to record myself. I have already informed my last video why I am doing that, so we'll take it positive way. And goodbye, take care of yourself.